Palomino. That was an uncomfortable bus ride. Had a loud movie playing that was in Spanish, but not a Spanish movie.
Smells like piss all the time.
And it smelled like piss.
I was angry. ¿Cuánto cuesta es la tubing? Okay.
Bueno chicos, bienvenidos.
This town is interesting already. Dylan and I have come to the conclusion that about half the population of this town is just people who moved from the Alberta district
Yeah, I can't
in
talk.
Portland.
I can't talk, so yes, I agree. Ooh. This is how you know there's a shit ton of mosquitoes. When the rooms have the mosquito net. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna put it up. Alright, so we are about to go tubing in Palomino. Leaving the hostel. Our friend Tim that we met in Cabo de la Vela joined us out here. And it's gonna be pretty fun. So we'll see you over there.
Quick bump before tubing.
Woo! You gotta knock out 100. How's this guy with the mango? Yo, sí, sí.
Hey, no quiere esto.
Okay.
Yo, Dylan, show the camera.
Die! You will die! Sí, sí. The others have arrived. You dropped your water. I think this house has not enough energy. Oh, trekking to get to the river. Walking through the rainforest.
What's a donkey show?
Then we get to outside Rio Hacha.
This does not end.
You got a good healthy sweat going.
Yeah. A really good
That
one.
sunscreen's
We have arrived.
all of a sudden it's a little chilly.
Hikes in sandals are not a good idea. Getting ready to take off on this rapid river. The bowls are in.
¿Cuántos minutos terminamos?
Una hora?
2 horas.
Dos? Perfecto.
Yeah, it's like an hour and a half.
This was definitely. We've got French, English, and Swiss.
And American. English and Texan.
Spanglish.
Yeah.
We're gonna go right into the.
All right, Fabian, we need you to direct.
We've got a visitor.
Hey.
Put him right here. Yeah,
We can put him on the.
Yes, we can put him.
His name Palomino.
He's moving. Come on, come on.
Vamos.
Don't stop.
Come here.
Right here.
Ah, there's a spider.
Kill it.
You're blowing it on me.
I say. He's like. Hola. Oh. Oh, shit.
Don't hit me in the head with that stick. You're getting close.
Fabian, pass the stick. So this cost us, what, 30,000 pesos each for a 2-hour ride. Going down Oh, you can see the fog on here. There's a crack in the GoPro, so it's a little compromised, but.
Can you ask him what for animals that are?
Oh, wow.
¿Cómo se llama?
I don't.
Vaca.
It's just a cow.
Oh, they're rescuing.
Yes.
¿Qué tipo de cow?
I say you, I know what is a cow.
They love the.
This is not a normal cow.
He told us that's a cow.
Yeah, I don't fuck around with cows either.
Y son doros.
Oh, vaca. So these are all female.
They have the biggest.
No, because they have horns.
He just told me.
Really? That's not a normal.
Doesn't.
That's not a normal cow.
He's insisting that these are normal.
That's a penis if I've ever seen one. So.
Where?
Yeah.
Dylan, you can tell him that that is not a normal cow.
You like Johnny Require?
Who?
Johnny Require.
Nobody knows.
I don't know who that is. Put on some Michael Jackson.
No, I don't like Michael Jackson.
You don't like Michael Jackson?
I don't like.
Oh, you're crazy. Yeah. Come on. All right, now. Very nice.
I like.
Our guide, Louise. We have arrived after 2 hours on this river. And there's children everywhere. Families.
We made it!
Be careful with the jackals.
From a distance, way back there,
We thought this was.
we thought this was a huge party with
party.
Huh? We thought it was gonna be a bunch of young people around our age having a good time, drinking and stuff. But we get here and this is the reality.
It's all real. All the different food.
You are summer.
Got some typical
But
street food.
French girl always has something to say.
No. I'm the only French girl that will never complain.
Round 2 on the bike. Oh shit. Which ones? These back ones?
Yes.
Alright. Have to go get some shots. We gotta figure out how to get to the river. Alright, it's the next one.
I don't like about this bike, it doesn't do well on like even remotely, like when we were out there in the desert and we hit any kind of sand that was more than like 2 inches, the bike starts sliding. There's no grip like whatsoever. We're coming up right on where we're at. Like they were parked here and then they walked over. I think that's what happened. Increasing your worldview, you know, it's like people have different perspectives on things. Like, you know, you could take someone in China and say, hey, you know, what is this? And, you know, they would equate it to like, you know, a tea glass, or like in America, maybe this is espresso. Like, there's different perspectives on everything, you know, and when you travel, you increase your worldview. When you meet people, it's never about the places, it's always about the people that influence you and change your worldview. And if you have an open mind and you meet even people from Switzerland, I'm just joking. Come on, I love Switzerland. You increase your worldview in life and you make good friends and cherish relationships. So, to world.
Cheers.
So we are leaving this godforsaken hippie town. feel about leaving the hippie town, Fabian?
I'm happy,
You're happy?
but I'm sick.
Of feminists and hippies? He's sick of the feminists and hippies. We're ready to get out of here. We're off to Santa Marta.